I am Neejad Chidiac, the founder and sole member of Neejad LLC, a digital medical education company with a mission to empower excellence in education and health. As a physician holding an MD and MBA from the University of Toledo College of Medicine and Life Sciences, I am currently an internal medicine psychiatry dual resident. My professional passions include medical education, mental health advocacy, electronic medical records, medical research, and the integration of artificial intelligence into healthcare. Over the years, I've received several distinctions for my dedication, including the Glidden L. Brooks Award for Academic Excellence and the Excellence in Psychiatry Award for commitment to advancing mental health. I have published research in leading journals, highlighting topics such as the neuropsychiatric effects of the COVID-19 pandemic, and regularly contribute to academic discussions and professional presentations in medical education and technology. I have also co-founded PipNote, an AI-powered medical insights platform which was recently acquired by Kaplan Inc., and I am the creator of Layman Medicine, a platform designed to make authoritative medical education accessible to all, leveraging cutting-edge voice, AI, and automation through partnerships with 11 Labs, Notion, and others. Currently, Neejad LLC is operated solely by myself, allowing for a unified, agile vision and seamless focus on innovation, academic rigor, and community impact. My multicultural background and fluency in both Arabic and English further contribute to our commitment to inclusivity and outreach. As the single member and driving force behind this initiative, I bring award-winning academic achievement, an entrepreneurial approach, and a relentless dedication to democratizing medical education through powerful, engaging, and accessible technology. Neejad LLC delivers accessible, evidence-based medical education for all through Layman Medicine, an AI-powered platform that combines authoritative health information, professional voice narration, and automation to engage and empower lifelong learners. Our core offering is scalable, multimedia educational content powered by 11 Labs and Notion AI, designed to transform the way the public at large learn about health and medicine. Within my startup, 11 Labs is a foundational technology for creating professional-grade, human-like voice narration and audio content for medical education. I use 11 Labs to generate clear, engaging voiceovers in multiple languages for educational videos, health topic summaries, and interactive modules, making complex information accessible to diverse audiences. This elevates the quality and reach of Layman Medicine's offerings, allowing learners of all backgrounds to benefit from immersive, trustworthy audio experiences that complement written and visual materials.